Hello, this is Moses, founder of Jackson Learning. I help business units free up their subject matter experts who are constantly pulled away from high-value work to teach the same basics over and over. That is expensive. When there's no system, SMEs end up doing ad hoc training, one-off sessions, long, dull decks, 2, 3, sometimes 4-hour videos that no one remembers. Employees wait on experts to move forward, ramp slows down, confidence drops, and momentum stalls. Meanwhile, your best people lose hours every week to training that should never require them in the first place. That's pure opportunity cost. I spent the last decade in learning design, working inside complex organizations, and this problem always shows up everywhere when foundations aren't intentional. But here's the good news. We help teams move from chaos to clarity by deciding what actually belongs in training and what doesn't, turning scattered know-how into simple self-service foundations employees can use when they need it. So, if you're a business unit leader dealing with constant interruptions, slow ramp-up, or lost execution time, you're in the right place.